Les systèmes d'information sanitaire jouent un rôle essentiel dans l'amélioration de la santé. D'où l'importance de disposer d'une information sanitaire de qualité, facilement accessible et utilisée à tous les niveaux pour la prise de décision éclairée dans l'espace CEDEAO. C'est dans ce cadre que l'Organisation ouest-africaine de la santé et le Programme des Nations unies pour le développement a organisé un atelier de formation des formateurs, des gestionnaires des systèmes d'information sanitaire de routine au sein de l'espace CEDEAO à l'Université du Ghana à Accra du 17 au 28 juillet 2017.
Statistics are central to the day-to-day activities of every organization.
Les statistiques sont le centre de chaque organisation.
Planning,
elles décrivent la planification et la
and also assess our performance.
La tenue de cet atelier a vu la collaboration de partenaires techniques.
C'est un projet américain. C'est un sentiment de joie d'être partie à travers la construction des infrastructures dans la région ouest-africaine, à travers la construction des structures puissantes dans le système de l'information sanitaire. Ce système s'adressera définitivement à la totalité du programme de sécurité sanitaire dans la prévention, la protection, la détection et une bonne pratique.
I'm happy that you've been able to go through this. You've been here for 2 weeks. I hope you saw other parts of the city apart from the space here in the school, and I hope that you'll be able to establish links with colleagues, participants who are here, and some of the resource people,
et j'espère que vous serez capable de réaliser et ensemble faire de cela une vraie révolution du système de santé dans mon pays et dans le CEDEAO.
I would like also to thank Major Evaluation with all partners. They are facilitating us with these modules on the training, and I hope we will continue work with him to put this technical material in place for all ECOWAS countries. As the colleagues say, this is a first session in the region with these training modules, and we hope before the end of this year we will do the same thing with the Francophone countries to make also all this group, give them the opportunity to share the experience we have here. Also ask to thank all Ghana representatives, the Ghana as a country, Ghana University. I would like to thank all of you for that. UNDP with Japan financing resource, they make possible this session, and hope we will continue on this partnership for the Francophone country also.
Cet atelier de renforcement des capacités des gestionnaires des systèmes d'information sanitaire au sein de l'espace CEDEAO s'inscrit dans le cadre de la mise en œuvre du projet régional qui est de soutenir et renforcer la surveillance médicale sous-régionale, post-Ebola et les initiatives de relèvement socio-économique en Afrique de l'Ouest. Grâce à l'appui financier du gouvernement du Japon et ordonné par le Bureau régional Programme des Nations unies pour le développement.
Within the framework of this regional project, which is supporting and strengthening sub-regional post-Ebola medical surveillance and socio-economic recovery initiatives in West Africa, financed by the government of Japan. It is our hope that these information management experts will now be able to take what they have learned in the classroom at the University of Ghana School of Public Health over the past 2 weeks and use it to benefit the governments and the communities based back home.
The drive behind this project has many layers, but with respect specifically to the regional approach and UNDP's support to WAHO, the aim is to support the capacity building of regional institutions, including WAHO. And so in this regard, our support to WAHO to enable this activity to take place strengthens their ability to reach out to the various member states, the 15 member states of ECOWAS, and to strengthen capacity in the health sector and the public health sector.
As we come to the end of this training session, I would like all of you to reflect on how the activities in the past 10 days have brought you closer. Make the effort to continue to network so that you become a strong support group when it comes to management of technical systems in the ECOWAS region. Let me take the opportunity to thank WAHO and its partners for the financial support. I also like to commend the organizers of the workshop for a job well done.
En arrivant à la fin de cette session, j'aimerais que chacun de vous réfléchisse sur les sujets. En arrivant à la fin de cette session, j'aimerais que chacun de vous réfléchisse sur les sujets traités. Faites des efforts pour rendre cela efficace dans la région CEDEAO. J'aimerais remercier tous les partenaires et tous ceux qui ont été présents à cette session de réflexion.
Cet atelier de formation a regroupé plus d'une vingtaine de participants, des membres de l'équipe régionale d'intervention rapide et des responsables des systèmes d'information sanitaire de routine venus de divers pays anglophones et francophones.
We are health information officers. We manage the Ghana Health Service and in fact Ghana Health Information Systems. So this routine health information management training or capacity building, in fact it has really uplifted our knowledge in health systems. And so there were some of the tools that they were using we have not used in Ghana, like the PRISM and advanced assessment tools, which what we are planning, we are going to team up with the Ministry of Health to see how best we can also inculcate those kind of training, and then we want to scale up the training to other staff so that we can build a better health system in Ghana. So in fact the training has really updated our knowledge in the health information management system.
This training course was developed through a wide-based collaboration with WHO, University of Norway, University of Oslo, the India Institute of Public Health, and others. They were all together. We were all together in the development of this. So this is a 2-week course and covers many aspects of the health information system, starting from governance to data management to ICT, scale-up assessments, and so forth. So this was a very good initiative, taken by WAHO, the West African Health Organization, in collaboration with the University of Ghana and with the support of UNDP and the government of Japan.
Les 10 modules de formation dispensés au cours de cet atelier ont permis aux participants d'avoir les compétences requises pour concevoir, conceptualiser, développer, gouverner et de gérer un système d'information sanitaire de routine afin d'améliorer les résultats de santé dans leurs pays respectifs.